When most people hear about Microsoft Office 365, they typically think that it's only hosted email. Office 365 has much more to offer than just hosted email. Once you're in the Office 365 space, you get access to many great services. One of the products you'll have access to with Office 365 is OneDrive for Business. Simply click on the OneDrive icon in your landing page, and you'll be presented with your OneDrive account. Natively with Windows 10, there's a OneDrive Sync client. If you don't have Windows 10, you can download a copy of OneDrive Sync client to your computer. To connect your OneDrive to your OneDrive Sync client, open up your Explorer, type OneDrive. Once you click on OneDrive, it'll ask you for your login credentials. Choose your work or school. From here, enter your password. My account is set up with two-factor authentication. Not everyone's is, but that is an option. After you log into your OneDrive Sync client, it'll tell you which folder is going to be on your local machine that will sync to OneDrive. Click Next. Choose the files on OneDrive that you want to sync to your computer. Click Next. And now OneDrive is ready. You can open your OneDrive folder in Explorer, and it will start syncing the files from OneDrive. For more information on how Revolution Group can solve your business problems through technology, such as implementing Office 365 for you and your business, feel free to reach out to us. You can call us at 614-212-1111 or visit our website at www.revolutiongroup.com. And make sure to keep checking our YouTube channel for more technology tips and tricks.